Here is how to reset the home screen layout on your Samsung phone. So if your home screen have become disorganized, or if you've lost something and you want to restore the original layout, this guide is for you. So first, go ahead and launch your settings application on your mobile device. Then scroll down and go to the apps section. Wait for the list of apps to load, and to verify that you're using the correct home app, tap on choose default apps in the top. Then check the home app option. Ensure that One UI Home is selected. If multiple options are available, make sure that you select One UI Home. Return to the app list and find the One UI Home app. Tap on that specific app, and then after scroll down, go to storage, and then click on clear cache. Come back. You can also try clearing the data. And now close the settings and return to the home screen, and it will refresh and the layout will be reset to its original state. You can then start adding apps back to your home screen. To add an app, swipe up and find the app and then tap and hold on to it, and you can either drag it to a specific location or tap on add to home. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.